After the end of the millennium, there would be a second resurrection. This resurrection is the resurrection of evil forces. And as a result, we have the Armageddon, the ultimate battle of good and evil. By the way, what is the origin of the term Armageddon? If you travel to Israel, you will be shown a place, a small mount, that is called Har Megiddo. Har means small mountain. Megiddo is the name of the small mountain. It is situated at the crossroads, and in ancient times it was a very important place because whoever controls this mountain controls the trade routes between various countries. So Har Megiddo was the place of battles for control. So the word Armageddon comes from these words Har Megiddo. And Armageddon in our apocalyptic slang means the final battle between good and evil.